Okay, so here we have my graphical user interface for my hotel reservation management system application. So what you're looking at right now is the first scene, which provides us with three buttons: an add reservation, view reservation, and delete or edit reservations. So we'll go ahead and click on add reservations. So we'll go ahead and enter some details. So we'll put Sam Smith, born 2000, 0101, phone number 647-924-3357, and we'll give him an email address. And then we'll say he lives at 45 Weston Road in Toronto, and his postal code is L5R1J7. Now I've purposely left the province combo box empty to show you some error handling here. So if I click add room, you see here it tells me please choose a province. So I'll go ahead and choose a province. I'll choose BC. Now if I make any changes anywhere else and there's an error, so over here we'll make an error in the date of birth, and I click add room. You see here it tells me invalid date, so I need to make sure I enter the proper format. So 2000 January 1st. And same here, if I put, let's say I put 2 here, and I click add room, it doesn't let me proceed. It tells me that no numbers are allowed in the name. So I'll put Sam Smith again. And all the text fields and combo boxes have similar conditions that must be met in order for the program to proceed. So now everything seems right. I'll go ahead and add room. Now here we're at the room details, and I'll go ahead and select 2 nights for 2 occupants in a penthouse suite. We'll give them all access, and we'll say yes, parking is requested. Now if I hit save without filling up the rest, it'll go ahead and tell me that one or more fields are empty. Same would happen if I leave any of these empty. Now I'll go ahead and fill this up right here. 2022 08 18, 2022 08 20. Now if I make an error here, same thing will happen. It'll tell me invalid date. So the user really can't make any actual mistakes. The program will let them proceed. So now that we've set the dates, we'll go ahead and save. Now it'll ask me if I would like to add another reservation. If I click yes, it takes me back here to the add reservation. But we're not going to add any more right now. We'll go ahead and explore some of the other features. So I'll go back to the main menu, clicking the main menu button. Now if I go to view reservations, this is our search/view reservation window. So if I click on view all reservations, you see here we have a long list of reservations. I've saved quite a few in there already. And you can see the last one we entered, Sam Smith, is here at the bottom. Now I can click on Sam Smith and then click this view button here. By clicking that, it opens our reservation details window, which provides us with all the details from the reservation we just entered. So you can see Sam Smith, date of birth, 45 Weston Road, phone number, email, total price, which is $3,285.99 because he's staying in the penthouse for 2 nights, and he's getting amenities for both those nights and parking for both those nights. Now if we go back to the main menu, we'll go back to view reservations, and we can also search for Sam Smith by entering his name and his date of birth, which is 2000-0101. Now if I search, here he is again. Now if I made a mistake here or enter a record that is not in the list, it'll go ahead and give me an error message. So if I click search, it'll tell me sorry, the name and date of birth does not match any reservations in our records. So we can go ahead and clear that. We'll search for Sam Smith one more time. And this is also a clickable event here. And we can go view or select, and then again, we have all the details. So now we can go back to the main menu, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and edit Sam Smith. So we'll look for Sam Smith again. Search, there he is. And we'll click on edit. Now, here to edit the details, we can make any changes we want. So you know what, we'll switch him from Penthouse to a single, and we'll switch Toronto to Brampton. And I could hit quit if I don't want to make any changes, but I could also hit save. And if I hit no, then the records will not be edited, but if I hit yes, then it will. And we'll go ahead and hit yes. Now it takes us back to the delete/edit reservations page, where if we want to, we can continue to edit or delete more of them. But we'll go ahead and check and make sure that Sam Smith has been edited. So we'll go to view reservations, view all. Sam Smith is still here at the bottom. Click view. Now you can see the city of Toronto has been changed to Brampton. The Penthouse suite has been changed to single room, and the total cost has been adjusted based on the fact that he's no longer in the Penthouse suite. So now that we've done that, we'll explore the final function or the final functionality that is offered in this application by going to the main menu and delete, and we'll remove the Sam Smith record. Search, and here it'll make sure that we want to delete the record. If we hit no, then the record will not be deleted. We'll go ahead and hit yes. Now it asks us if we'd like to edit or delete another record, which will take us back. By hitting yes, it will take us back to the same window we just came from. But we'll hit no, which takes us to the main menu, and then we'll hit view reservations. Now if I go view all reservations, as you can see, Sam Smith has now been removed, and all the other ones are still available. I could click on any of them, go view the record, go back to the main menu, and that's all the functionality that's being provided in this application. Thank you.